In this tutorial, we'll be going over the two functions associated with the sales button, represented by the hamburger icon. We already have a table set up, so we're going to click on Table 2. This takes us to the sales screen, and now we're going to highlight the leftmost column of the customer table. With this part highlighted, you have two options. Simply clicking on the hamburger sales button brings you to a quick sales menu where you can quickly add drinks to the table as demonstrated. The second function requires holding the sales button with your finger, which is synonymous to the right click on a non-touchscreen monitor. Doing this takes you to the tab review screen. At this screen, you can edit the current tab of the table with comps, voids, and discounts, as well as renaming and pre-authing the tab. Make sure to tune in and check out some of our other videos at definitivesynergy.com.